If your mind has ever gone completely blank mid-conversation. That's good, yeah.
Well, I better go. It was nice to meet you.
Fair enough, it was nice meeting you. Have a nice one. And you can literally feel the awkwardness building. But yeah, you look great. I just got here 2 weeks ago. Cool. I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix it. I used to freeze up all the time when talking to women.
Mozambican American.
Mozambican American, nice, that's good. That's cool.
I know, it's really nice to meet you. I'm really sorry I've got to walk off, but...
Go, have a nice one, yeah. Yeah, I just froze. In this video, I'll explain exactly what I changed, and I'll show you real examples of each concept. We're gonna cover fallbacks, threading, and carrying. Part of the reason why flirting feels so difficult is because you don't know what to say next. So instead of trying to come up with something on the spot, you can use what I call fallbacks. Fallbacks are just simple questions that give you somewhere to take the conversation. That way your mind never blanks. Here's an example. You look good, so hi.
Thanks, hi.
Hi, what are you doing?
I am just off to get some groceries at the Asian grocer.
Grocer?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you were American until you said that.
Yeah, no.
My favorite fallback is what are you doing or what are you up to? It's an open-ended question, which means whatever she says becomes the topic. I had to come over and just flirt with you for a bit, so
Okay.
what are you doing? What are you up to?
I've just finished work, so I'm going home.
She says she just got off work, so that's what we talk about. You get off work this early?
Well, not usually, but I was on a training course and it finished early, so...
Are you like brand new or? Another easy fallback is where are you from? Where are you from?
Finland.
Finland, nice.
Yep.
What are you doing here?
Studying here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And why are you here?
Backpacking.
From there, you just build off of her answer. You're backpacking.
Yeah.
You're solo.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so brave of you. Wow. I mean, to be fair, I came here solo, but I have friends here, so
Yeah.
I'm not so solo. If she's new to the city, an easy fallback is, how do you like it so far?
Yeah.
That's a nanny, right?
Yeah.
Nice. How do you like London?
It's nice, yeah, beautiful city.
Yeah.
You're from here?
No, I got here 2 weeks ago,
Ah, okay.
so I'm pretty new as well.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
Um,
Why are you here? You said you're visiting a friend.
Yeah.
Nice.
Lives in London.
Yeah. How do you like London so far?
I arrived like 1 hour ago, so
You just got here.
yeah.
Now you have a full conversation around her experience. Another one I use a lot is, what are your plans? So what are the plans? You're meeting friends?
yeah, like
Friday
literally-
night? Pubs? What's the plan?
Well, I'm meeting friends now. We're just going to a cafe.
So what about you? What's the plan?
So right now I'm gonna go to my friend's place. She lives like 10 minutes away.
Okay.
I think we're gonna go out later tonight.
Oh, it is Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Ah, you're gonna get your British drinking going, yeah?
Yeah.
You're not forcing anything. You're just using what she gives you. So a fallback is simple. It's an open-ended question that gives you direction when you don't know what to say. It keeps the conversation moving and it buys you time to think. Most guys think they need something new to say, so they jump from topic to topic. And that's exactly why they freeze. Once you find a topic that's getting engagement, just stick with it. I call this threading.
I know.
Now I gotta guess your ethnicity, right? Let's see.
Guess.
Maybe like Japanese?
No.
Filipino?
What?
Yo, don't look that disgusted.
Stay.
Am I so far off, or you just don't like Japanese
Wrong
people?
continent.
You hate sushi, do you?
No, it's just
What's
like wrong
you don't like samurais? You look
continent.
disgusted. I said defend.
So far.
So here, the topic is, where are you from? But instead of getting her answer and moving on, I turn it into a guessing game. Wrong continent? Oh, no. African.
Yeah.
I was gonna start guessing South American. All right. Egyptian.
No.
Moroccan.
No, more south.
Well, I'm not that good at geography.
Okay, it's like basically the East Coast. Do you know Tanzania?
Notice how I didn't need to think of a new topic. What could have been a quick, I'm from Tanzania, turned into a full interaction. That's what threading is. You're not constantly changing topics, you're building on the same one. It's kind of like replying to a comment thread instead of starting a brand new one. Here's another example. What's your neck tattoo?
I have a lot of tattoos. This one?
Yeah.
That's my surname.
Your surname? Ah, I like it.
Which is very blurry.
Not in English.
You can see. Well, yeah, no, I don't have an English surname. It's Turkish.
Yeah, you have a lot of tattoos. Where are they at? So here I ask what her tattoo says. But instead of moving on, I stick with it.
Oh, I have loads of small ones. I have 17.
17.
17 little tattoos.
I have 0.
You don't have any?
None. I'm lame-o.
Everyone I meet is like, they don't have tattoos anymore. That's so nice.
All I got is his piercing. That's as edgy as I get. No tats, no other piercings, no nothing.
Just the one piercing.
Just one little nose ring. One question turns into a full discussion on the same topic. Threading makes conversations way easier. Instead of trying to come up with something new, you just keep exploring what's already there. Most guys get stuck because they only ask questions. That turns the conversation into an interview. At some point, someone has to move the conversation forward. And instead of always putting that pressure on her, you take it on yourself. That's what I call carrying. You're not trying to impress her. You're just contributing to the interaction.
I'm just gonna go for like some Greek food with my friends, have some drinks.
Greek food. I see, like the gyros.
Yes.
Gyros are delicious.
Yeah.
I was
it is.
in Cyprus a couple years back.
Oh, okay, cool.
And their euros cost, I don't know what it is in pound, but it was like $2
Yeah.
for a full euro. And out
Yeah.
here, I think it's like $15 or something.
Well, you're from the US, so where are you?
So here, instead of asking her another question, I just share something related to what she said. And now she has something to respond to.
You're from the US, so where are you from?
Oh no, did my accent give it away?
I don't know. Yes, yes.
I was trying to fit into British culture, jeez.
I'm not British though.
Oh, you're not either?
No, no, no.
Where are you from?
I'm Swedish.
Carrying is simple. Instead of asking another question, you just share something. A thought, an opinion, a story.
I make clothes.
You do already?
Yeah.
You sell them on Depop.
I have a website.
That's really cool. Wow. I used to, funny enough, I'm not making this up, so I used to thrift clothes a lot. This is one of the things I thrifted, but I used to resell thrifted clothes in San Francisco where I'm from.
Oh, cool.
And I didn't have a web, I'm not as fancy as you, but I used to do it on Instagram.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would do like the whole, put it on a mannequin, take photos of it, edit it up, so.
Was it successful?
And it doesn't even have to be perfectly related. As long as there's some connection, the conversation flows. Like here, for example. I meet an Australian girl, so I bring up a YouTube channel that I like. Have you heard of, so I have this YouTube channel I love. It's called Misfit Minds, they're Australian.
I have not heard of them. No.
Damn. I thought they were like the biggest thing in Australia.
They might be. I'm not a massive watcher, so.
Oh, YouTube watcher, okay. They go around like to pubs and like they do these like funny pranks, but one of them that I love is they pour like shit beers with a bunch of foam.
Oh
And
no, I have
you
seen
seen
videos of
those?
that. Yeah, and
They're
they serve them
huge,
in the
yeah.
pubs. Yeah.
And they go like they
all the fucking
deadpan,
things.
yeah.
Yeah.
They go, wait, you know, I know how to pour a pint, mate. What do you mean?
Yeah.
I love that place. It's like the only thing I know about Australia.
No, I have seen those actually.
That and the kangaroos. So
Yeah.
the only link was Australia, and it still worked. Carrying takes the pressure off her and shows her what it's like to talk to you. You're not just reacting, you're contributing. So between fallbacks, threading, and carrying, you'll never get stuck. Fallbacks give you somewhere to go. Threading lets you stay on one topic, and carrying gives her something to respond to. You don't need to be naturally smooth to have great conversations. You just need a system that keeps things flowing. But this is only one piece of the puzzle. Once you're in a conversation, you need to know how to actually flirt. So click the video on your screen, How to Flirt for Logical Guys. That's where I break my entire process down step by step with real examples. And if you want me to personally install my Quiet Confidence playbook into your life, you can apply to work with me one-on-one using the first link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.